Hello everyone and welcome to Starfish. Today, I invite you to discover the fascinating story of an extraordinary plant known as Ewoody, a symbol of resilience and solitude. Our tale begins in 1895 in the Nagoya forest of Zululand, southern Africa, where botanist John Medley Wood made a captivating discovery. He found a tree with multiple trunks and palm-like fronds. He removed a small stem and sent it to London for further study. This stem became known as Ewoody, named in his honor, and has since remained a rare survivor. Cycads like Ewoody thrived on Earth 200 million years ago, representing about 20% of global plant life during the Jurassic period. They managed to survive various catastrophic events, including the extinction of the dinosaurs and 5 ice ages. As their habitats diminished, so did their population, leaving Ewoody possibly as the last of its kind. One significant challenge for Ewoody is its dioecious nature, meaning it requires both a male and female to reproduce. The lone male tree in London produces colorful cones but lacks a female companion, hindering its reproductive capability. Researchers have tirelessly searched for a mate in Africa, yet their efforts have proven fruitless. As biologist Richard Forte noted, Ewoody represents the most solitary organism in the world. The tragic situation parallels a theme from J.R.R. Tolkien's The Lord of the Rings, where tree spirits, much like Ewoody, also lack female counterparts and face extinction. Hope emerged in 1997 when the London cherry was moved to a new garden bed at Kew Gardens. In 2004, it produced a vibrant orange-yellow male cone, an encouraging sign of its vitality. The poignant story of Ewoody serves as a reminder of life's fragility and the importance of biodiversity conservation. As we explore its journey, we are encouraged to restore balance to our ecosystems. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Ewoody. If you enjoyed this tale, please like, share, and subscribe Starfish for more captivating stories from the natural world.